how to add admin on Instagram page. So what's going on, guys? Today I'm going to show you how to add admin. For more videos like this, subscribe and click that bell notification bell button on. So in this video we are going to your page and the settings, go to link accounts, and simply you can click the connect account here. So connect and confirm. So you will be asked to put on your account or log in your account here. So I am going to log in my account. So logging in, just click the login. And then you can also save your info if you want. So that's done. Instagram connected. So you can see here the account is connected, and if you want you can also disconnect the account by clicking the button here. So a very simple video for today, guys. I hope this helps you, and I hope to see you on the next video.